Dr. Heavenly, your digital mentor teacher. I am a national board certified teacher, an assessment specialist, and an advocate for teacher leadership. In this episode, we're going to talk about exit tickets. Stop calling it an exit ticket if it doesn't do this. Let's find out what it needs to do. Hi, too many exit tickets are just routines. They collect answers, but they don't drive decisions. A strong exit ticket must answer one question. Did students meet the success criteria? Some teachers collect exit tickets electronically. They have assessment systems provided by their school districts. Others simply use Google Forms or Microsoft Forms to collect student data and look at it quickly. Another way to get exit tickets is simply have students write the answer to a question on the board on a Post-it note and leave it as they leave the classroom. They can leave it on a chart so that you can know where the students are. Choose a strategic format for your exit tickets. Not all exit tickets need to look the same. Match the format to your goal. Some options that you can rotate are a quick write. Explain your thinking in 2 to 3 sentences. A 3-2-1. 3 things you learned, 2 questions, and 1 connection. An error analysis. What went wrong in this example? Poll or digital form. Fast data collection like Google Forms or Microsoft Forms. Draw or model. This is especially powerful for math and primary grades. You can use manipulatives in math to model what students know as an exit ticket. The most important thing that an exit ticket can do is give us data that informs instruction. If it's not informing instruction, stop calling it an exit ticket. If you want better formative assessment tools, please subscribe to our community and like this episode so more educators can find us and follow us. Please subscribe to our mailing list. I love to send educators weekly newsletters. They give you a spark and you can think of new ways to use formative assessment. Now, I love to see your comments in the comment section below. Please put things that are happening in your classroom and what support you need. If you would like a live webinar or a visit to your school, please reach out to us and we'll make sure that we come. We love to keep you uplifted. We want you to stay inspired.